Mabuhay and good day. My name is Yirish Arroyo Basa. Have you ever wondered how travel system or delivery services handle millions of data points with perfect accuracy? It's all in the codes. This simple screen is perfect example of that. Then, let's break it down. So first we have SFOC. The SFO part, of course, is the Standard International Code of San Francisco, but the key is that little c, that C stands for City. It tells the system we're talking about the entire San Francisco metropolitan area. So now, I want you to look at the next line, the SFOA. That A is a critical distinction. It stands for airport. This code tells the system that we're not talking about the city in general, but specifically San Francisco International Airport. This one letter difference eliminates any confusion. It ensures a ticket is booked to the right location and that package is routed to the correct destination. So, in the world of logistics and travel, precision is everything. These simple, elegant codes are the silent heroes that make sure everything arrives exactly where it's supposed to. They are a core part of what makes our modern travel and delivery systems work so seamlessly.
When the visions around you